Hi, we need to talk about some things. I'm just gonna be frank. We need a new wave of feminism, ASAP. The third wave did some good things, but it's not really helping anymore. Where women and people in general are just not really improving their lives as much, and it's starting to alienate people. And I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing that much good coming from it. I think there needs to be a new wave of feminism that focuses on respect more so than the patriarchy, because the patriarchy is hard to smash. I don't know if it can, because it's a big corporate global machine. I don't know if that can be smashed. I don't. Just blaming everything on the patriarchy is not going to work. What needs to happen is just respect. I'll explain myself. People, most of the problems people have with each other are based off of respect. Like, this goes with gender relations, race relations, like economic relations. It's really everything where you should be caring about how other people think and feel about things, but you don't. That's a problem that most people have, and it does happen more so to women, which is why this new movement needs to be based around respect. And even it goes past the obvious direct ways women would benefit from more respect from each other and from men. It's things like the wage gap. That that's that's just the government not respecting women as equal genders to men. That's what that is. Rape is a person not respecting the privacy and consent of another person. It's all respect. It's literally all about respect. And even this patriarchy thing is like intersectional non-respect. It's people at the top not respecting people of different races, different genders, different economic classes. And it's a lot of bullshit. So, okay. So, how do you go about this? Well, first, I'm going to throw one thing out there. It's what I call the pullback. Where, see, people are not always good all the time, but that doesn't mean they're all bad. Sometimes people just make mistakes. But if you do make a mistake respectfully, then it should be okay. It's like, see, the whole thing with catcalling is it's a disrespectful way of flirting with a girl. But if you do it differently, it's not bad at all. It's like, maybe you do a catcall, but if the girl is upset with it, you pull back and say, I'm sorry. And then you don't do it again. It's learning. It's learning, and it's respecting other people's feelings. I think that's what the new wave of feminism is, just learning from your mistakes and respecting other people's feelings. That's literally all you need. And that will improve people's lives immediately. Literally immediately. And the first thing you need to do is the pullback. The pullback. If you do something that offends someone, just realize it, pull back, and say I'm sorry. Literally, it's so easy. You don't need fancy words. You don't need fancy statistics. All you need to do is pull back. That's literally, like, if you teach people to act this way and not be so self-centered, it'll change everything. I'm sincerely serious about this. Men need to do this. Women need to do this. It's gonna people of all genders and races need to do this. Pull back and respect. Can we maybe try this, please? I think it's a really good thing. But okay, well, stay free and classy.